Hello. Hi. So in this video I would be explaining you PickMyTrade. So PickMyTrade is a tool which can automate your TradingView alerts. So basically, let's say you have an indicator or either you have a strategy and you want to automate that with your Tradovate account. So PickMyTrade can do that. It can work with indicator or with strategy. Let's start first with the documentation. So first you open PickMyTrade.trade. It would open this particular website. There you have a login and registration. First you need to register your account. So we simply only ask email password, and you register. Once you are registered, you can simply sign into the account. Once you sign in, that would show you something like this. So first I would explain each and everything over there. Then I would explain the alerts. And then I would show you how to create the alerts into TradingView. So first I would explain the settings screen. So in this screen there you are going to put the symbol name. Basically whatever symbol is going to come from TradingView, it's mapping for that. Let's say you want to place a trade on NQ1 like continuous contract. So you are going to put NQ1 column. So something like this. And let's say if you are creating alert on NQM 2024. So you are going to put in NQM 2024 over there. Then order type is entry order type. Whether you want to place entry order as a market order and limit order, then how much quantity you want to place trade whenever the buyer or seller alert come. Then tick size is auto-populated based on the symbol. Then lot sizes also get populated as you just verify whether that is correct or not. But generally it used to be correct. And then for this particular symbol on which Tradovate symbol you want to put the trade. So you are going to put the exact symbol. So let's say we want to place NQM2. So trade does not have a 2024 kind of symbol. So you are just going to put that, then how much is stop loss intake. Or if you want to in percentage, you can put percentage over there by checking this. And same for take profit. How much take profit you want to trade. And if you put 0, so it is not going to take profit order. But if you put some value, it's going to take profit order and then take profit in percentage. If you check that, it's going to place a take profit based on that. Then entry offset. Entry offset is, let's say you are placing a limit order and you want your order to be placed as a limit order, but above the market price. So let's say you are placing a buy order and let's say, price is running 10,000 and you want at least 2 takes above buy order market. It gives you flexibility to order and get filled more easily because you are placing a buy order limit order on above the market price. So you are ready to buy on a higher side. So that would increase your chances. So you are just going to put -2. So it would place whatever current market price would be running at that particular time. It would place an offset and order above the market price. And for sell it's going to place it below the market price. So this is the screen where you can create the settings. And next come to the second screen, settings screen. So we have already created the setting for all the commonly used symbol you can see next. And even you can filter. So like let's say if you want to see the NQ setting. So you can see over there. And if setting is already there, you can simply add it instead of creating all the settings over there. If you want to change the quantity, stop loss, take profit, whatever you want to change, you just simply click edit and you can change the setting over there and save it. You don't need to put all those value again and again. So the kind of things we have already created for you. They're all the common feature symbols is already configured. Now third comes is order history. Now come to the order section. So in this you can see all the order ID which we place, whatever the date, time, whatever the symbol was, what action we take, whether buy or sell, what was the auto type market order, limit stop order. So like each and everything this you can even check into the Tradovate and you can check it over there as well. And you can query for any date range whatever you want to query. So generally first time it would come for the current week itself. Only about you can query for any other range. Now same thing is come in the alerts section. So like whenever your TradingView alert is going to come, we would show you a what time alert we get, what symbol we get and what was the mapping for that symbol. So like whatever you have created in the setting, this symbol we get from the alert. And then we have mapped to this particular Tradovate symbol buy and sell. And then we place the entry ID, what is the take profit ID, limited is take profit is top order ID. And then we got the raw data. And it could show you like where the order get placed. And if there is some reason it did get rejected or something like that. So you get that. So you can figure out why you are select by that particular trade not getting placed or something like that. So this way you can place trade into your account or let you get it over there. You can configure. And then now let me explain this. So in this section there we have created a pause and resume button. Currently account is running, so like whatever alert is going to come it is going to place. But let's say if you want to pause all the alerts. Instead of pausing every alert in TradingView, we will be giving you the options. You simply click on pause and it would show account paused and actually show you the resume button. So like now whenever alert would come it is not going to place a trade over there. So you can pause and resume easily from there itself only. Then we have a webhook. So like this is a URL which you need to create into your TradingView account. I would show you that as well. Once you click this it would copy into the text notepad like in your clipboard. This is a URL which you are going to configure. You can simply copy, and let's say if you want to create a buy alert. So you just simply click on buy alert. It would show you a buy alert. I would explain this alert in a bit. Then simply we have a sell alert. So you can simply copy first sell. This token is unique to your account. So don't share this with anyone. This is unique to your account. From this particular we identify whether your trade is coming and we place into your account. Then we have a demo mode and live mode. So let's say if you are trading onto a Tradovate demo account, you just click there. And if you're trading into live account you click over there. So accordingly trade is going to get placed and it will show, my live is disconnected, demo is connected. So if let's say I want to connect again, what it would do? It would first ask me like all the policies, it would show me which I have to select. And then once I click on agree, it would take me to Tradovate. So there we are going to put all our username and password. And if you are signed in with Google, we don't store your Tradovate credentials there. So you simply give us the token. And through that token itself only we place the trade. So it was something like that. Let me log in. So it would show something like this. And then it's going to show success, and if failure comes, it will show you the error message on the right over. And it shows Tradovate connected. And same way, let's say if you want to connect a live account, you can simply connect over there. So that way we connect and it shows. Let's say if you want to reconnect with account, you just simply click this. It's going to connect again. Okay, account running is showing current status pause resume I already explained. So this is the thing for website. Now let me explain the alert section. So this is the alert which we are going to create. So in alert I would explain you, symbol is like whatever symbol you are using. So if you are trading using TradingView, then it can simply pick from this particular ticker itself only. And you should have a mapping for this. Whatever ticker is coming over there you should have a mapping over there. So you can see symbol. That symbol should exist over there. So if it is a continuous contract you have to create the mapping over there. If it is already not there and date, you can always use time now kind of variable. It comes from the TradingView. It would give you the exact current time. So this is going to be static. And then in data we allow buy, sell or close. So if you are running a strategy it would come from strategy.order.actions. But if it is an indicator, you need to put buy or sell. Let me show you for a strategy. So as I told you, you have to use instead of, like if you are running on indicator, then you have to define buy or sell based on that and it's going to take trade. And let's say if you are running a strategy, then you have to select strategy.order.action. So it would come accordingly and in quantity. We have two kind of things, so either we can define based on absolute quantity if you want to or absolute lot if you want to trade. So let's say if you define 2 it's going to buy or sell 2 based on whatever data you get. Let's say if you are running a strategy then you have to select strategy.order.contracts. Then you can put it over there. So let me show you what is the strategy. It's going to be something like this. So this way you can define and say you do not want to get the absolute quantity and you want to do like 1%. You want to trade. So let's assume your stop loss is $100 and you got in your account $1,000. And you define the $10 risk. So you are going to risk $100 and your stop loss is $100. So in that particular case we would be placing a one lot. So if you define the risk percentage, then what you have to do is you have to pass SL value and risk percentage. And you don't need to pass the quantity. Let's say you don't pass SL from there. Then whatever SL you have defined in the settings section, it's going to take from there itself as well. Either SL should be defined over there or stop loss should be there. So accordingly it can calculate the quantity. If you specify risk percentage and if you don't want to, then you simply pass the quantity. Then price is current close price in TradingView, you can get the close price. That we use to calculate the SL and all those kind of things. So like that you have to pass. And even if you want to place entry order as a limit order, then you have to pass this particular price. If you pass the take profit, and that should be absolute value like whatever the current, whatever the take profit price you want to place, you can pass it over there. If you pass it from there, it's going to take that. And if you don't pass it, then it would check in the setting that you have defined. And if you are not defined over there as well, then it would not place a take profit order. Same for SL. So again, first it would check the SL over there, and if SL is there, then it would place based on that. And if it is not defined over there, then it's going to place from there whatever SL is defined trail. Let's leave that because right now we are giving auto trail kind of facility as well. So let's leave that for now. But if you pass any value that's an SL value, then it would place a real order with one tick trail. Then update TP update SL. So let's say if you place your order and you want, instead of placing new order, you just want to place whatever TP get placed earlier. You want to update that. So you place update TP as a true and then new TP value. So what it is going to do, whatever open order take profit of an order is there, it's going to update that only. Same for SL. If you update SL true and whatever new SL value is come, it's going to simply update, and if you are not updating, then you simply pass false like you're never going to touch that. But this is kind of extra feature which we have provided. Then duplicate position allow always is going to be false, because what will happen is, let's say if you have a position and you again get the trade, it's not going to take the trade. But in some exceptional case, if you want to allow whatever alert is coming, it is going to take, then you will eventually pass the true. Then reverse order closed rule, what it's going to do is, let's say you have a buyer position open and buy open order. And you pass that reverse order closed true and you get the sell. So what it's going to do, it's going to close your open order, close the positions, and then going to take a sell. Same for the buy. So let's say if you get the buy and you already have a sell position, it's going to close. So basically whatever existing open order is there, it's going to close that. And then it's going to take a trade. Then token. Token is like your unique ID which is assigned to your account, which you can get from there. And even when you copy the buy or sell alert, it's going to take from there itself only, and then account ID, you simply pass the account ID as empty. But if you are, let's say if you have a multiple accounts and you want to trade on different account for different symbol, so you have to pass the account ID, and if you don't pass, it's going to take whatever the latest account is into your Tradovate account. So if you don't pass, it's going to take into default account. And if you pass, it's going to take trade into that particular account itself only. So that's alert section. So now let's come to the third section, which is like how you are going to create the alert into Tradovate. And this can work with any webhook. So even if you have some applications like as we listed on homepage as well, it can work for those as well, or even your custom program. If you want to place a trade and you don't want to do the integration, it can work with Zapier, it can work with Python, JSP, PHP, TradingView, TrendSpider, MetaTrader, whatever you have, it can work with that. So now let's come to the third section. I would show you how to create alert in TradingView. So you go to the TradingView, like whatever your strategy is there, you select it over there. Then whatever value you want to create the alert once per bar close. We select generally, but you can select accordingly. And then in alert text you are going to put this particular alert text for buy, this for sell, and if it is a strategy you simply copy the one alert. So we don't need to create the two alert for strategy because it can buy and sell alert command the same. So you are going to create the alert. And in notification you go to the webhook URL, you simply click over there, copy that URL and put it over there. That's all. So that's a simple way to create the alert. You can create the alert for strategy or for the indicator. So I think, yeah, that's pretty much what we want to explain. And if you have any other questions, concerns, then please reach out to us. So you can contact us on this number. This is on WhatsApp. You can mail over there, and you can even email at bhavashaya@hftsolution.com. Let me put that email as well. So you can email over there. Thanks for watching and hope you join our program and start trading and start making profits. Thank you.